Systems. What I want you to notice first about systems is the problem specifically asks for a letter. Make sure when you work this one you are giving me the answer for y. The problems are 6x plus 3y equals 51, 2x minus 6y equals 38. Okay, I'm going to use the addition method to solve this system. I'm solving for y. That means I want to keep y. Okay, if I want to keep y, that means I want to get rid of x. So right now 1x has a value of 6. I can turn the other one into a negative 6 if I multiply the entire bottom row by negative 3. So I have 6x plus 3y equals 51. If I multiply the bottom row by negative 3, I get negative 6x plus 18y equals negative 114. Make sure that you multiply the negative 3 by each and every term of that equation. Then you can add them up. Your 6x's add out. You get a 21y. And if you subtracted negative 114 plus 51, you would get a negative 63. Solve this out, divide both sides by 21, and y would equal negative 3. My problem did ask for y, so since my problem asked for y, this is my answer. Okay, let's try another one. In this problem, I asked you to solve the equation for y, and this is set up in a substitution way. See how the y is on a side by itself? It's already solved for. Now, if you wanted to work it the addition method way, you could certainly do that, but you have to move your 4x over and line it up above the 15x. So make sure if you choose the addition method that you rearrange it so that everything is lined up. For this one, I'm going to choose to work it by substitution since y is already by itself. If I take my second equation, 15x plus 5y equals 195. There's my second equation. I can plug in what y equals into the missing place. Y is 4x plus 4. Okay, now we can solve out this equation. 15x plus 20x plus 20 equals 195. 35x plus 20 equals 195. Subtract 20. 35x equals 175. Divide both sides by 35, and x would equal 5. Do not choose 5. Okay, do not choose 5. 5 is bad. Do not choose 5. Now the reason you don't choose 5 is that I didn't ask you for x. I asked you for y. So what you want to do is go back to either of the top equations. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to use this blue one here. Plug 5 in. Y would equal 4 times 5 plus 4. So y would equal 24. And that is your answer. Make sure you choose the answer that fits the letter that you are solving for.